Welcome to your go-to guide on transforming your Vizio Smart TV today. Imagine unleashing thousands of channels and content with just a few clicks. Don't let your Vizio Smart TV remain underutilized when you have IPTV options. Here's a quick and easy process to integrate IPTV services on your television. First, ensure your TV is connected to the internet for seamless streaming. Navigate through the Vizio SmartCast platform using your remote control now. In the App Store, search for a reliable IPTV application available. Download and install the app, then launch it as it prepares to load. Once the app opens, input your IPTV credentials for a personalized setup. Take a moment to explore the plethora of channels now available at your disposal. Enjoy live broadcasts, sports, movies, and more in stunning high definition. For optimized viewing, adjust picture settings to enhance your cinematic experience. Take advantage of the endless library of on-demand content just a click away. Our recommendation for top-quality service. Explore 2tv.store for the best experience. Unlock the unmatched potential of your Vizio Smart TV today with our guidance. Subscribe for more tips and make technology work seamlessly in your favor.